Hey everyone! Today, we're testing Force Factor Creatine Gummies, a unique twist on the classic workout supplement. Instead of powder, this come in chewable gummy form for convenience. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements for improving strength, muscle recovery, and workout performance. The gummies make it super easy to stay consistent, and we did notice increased endurance and faster recovery after training sessions. Pros: tasty and convenient. No mixing required. Supports muscle growth and recovery, and easy to stick with daily. Cons: each gummy has a lower creatine dose, so you need multiple servings to hit the optimal amount. They're also more expensive per serving compared to powder. Overall, Force Factor Creatine Gummies work as intended, but they're best for convenience rather than a cost efficiency. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.